If your iPhone camera shows a black screen, keeps crashing, or won't open after the latest iOS 27 update, try these fixes. Refresh the camera app. First, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Swipe up on the camera app to close it completely. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the camera app. Switch between photo, portrait, video, and other available camera modes. This can help clear temporary software glitches and wake the camera if it became stuck after the update. Next, gently clean the front and rear camera lenses with a soft microfiber cloth. Make sure you have enough storage. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Select iPhone storage. If your storage is almost full, delete unused apps, large videos, downloads, or other unnecessary files. You can also remove third-party camera apps you no longer use. Low storage can sometimes affect app performance and cause the camera app to behave unexpectedly. Let your iPhone cool down. If your iPhone feels unusually hot, stop using the camera app for a while. Move your iPhone away from direct sunlight or other heat sources. When your iPhone gets too warm, iOS may temporarily limit certain features to protect the device. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Next, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the Apple logo appears. Release the button and wait for your iPhone to restart completely. Once it turns back on, open the camera app. If the issue continues, move on to the next solution. Test camera and reset settings. Let's check whether the camera issue is software or hardware related. Open a third-party app like Instagram or Messenger. Try using the camera inside the app. If the camera doesn't work there either, continue with the next step. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll and look for the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Choose Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. Confirm the reset to continue. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos, apps, or personal data. It will only reset system settings and preferences to their defaults. Contact Apple support. Open the Apple Store app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Devices. Select your mobile device. From here, you can start a chat with Apple support or schedule a repair appointment. If the problem is hardware related, Apple can help diagnose the issue and recommend the appropriate repair. Hopefully, one of these solutions gets your iPhone camera working normally again. And that's it.